Hi, my name's Andrea. Welcome to FabLab Fundamentals. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use a multimeter to measure current on a circuit. So let's get started. Today, we will be working with this circuit. You see there's a resistor and an LED in series. Here the battery, in this case, is going to be the DC power supply. There's a whole other video where I explained how to use it. So to understand how to measure current, you have to know that current is measured in series with the circuit compared to voltage, which is in parallel. So here I have my circuit. This is my DC power supply, the resistor, and the LED. So you don't want to put the multimeter in parallel, which is like this. So the leads would be on each side of the LED. This is because if I put my leads here, this multimeter is it's like a short circuit, so this would be shorting the LED. And this, if you know Ohm's law, which is V equals IR, or I equals V over R, then if R is very small, that means that the current is going to be very, very big, and that is going to break your device. So in this case, we're using a multimeter, but if it's like a more expensive equipment like the oscilloscope, then we're in trouble. So with that being said, you want to make sure that you're putting the multimeter in series. So here you see one of the ends of the resistor is connected to one of the leads of the multimeter, and then the other is connected to one of the legs of the LED. So with that, we can go back to the circuit. Here you can see this blue wire is my positive terminal, the white one is my negative terminal. I have my LED, which is connected in series with my resistor. So in this case, if I turn on the DC power supply, you'll see my LED turns on. Okay, so with that, I'm going to turn on my DC power supply. And now I'm gonna break the circuit. So you want to make sure you do break the circuit, because then really bad things will happen. So you open your circuit like this. You see it's not connected, and now I can go to my multimeter. So I connect the leads of my multimeter. The black one goes in the COM or ground. Then the red one will be connected to these. I'm going to put it in the 10 amps. I am sure it's not going to be more than 10 amps, but you just want to make sure so that nothing happens with the multimeter. So I turn the knob to this setting, which is current in amps. And then I can grab my leads and put each end, one on the resistor and the other one on the LED. You see how the LED turns on, and then my multimeter reads 0.01 amps. That means that it's way less than 10 amps. So I can go ahead and turn and switch the lead to the micro and milliamps, and then I can switch the knob to the milli. In this case, I know that it's in the milli, so that's why I'm selecting milli instead of micro. And then I do the same. I connect my leads, one to the resistor and the other one to the LED. Then you see how it turns on, and my multimeter is reading 10.87, and then you're done. You record the current, and that'll be the current. So you turn the knob back to off, and then that is how you use a multimeter to measure current on a circuit.